Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from your Ledger to your Bybit. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Ledger Live app or website, and from the left sidebar, click on Accounts, and from this account page, select the cryptocurrency that you are transferring. I'm transferring the XRP, so I will just select the XRP from this section. And from this screen, you have to click on this Send button, and after that, this window will pop up. From here, you have to paste the recipient address for your Bybit address. So open up your Bybit app, and then you will find this deposit button on your home screen. So you have to click on it, and then from this pop-up window, click on deposit crypto button, and from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to select the same cryptocurrency that you are transferring from your Ledger device. So I will just search for XRP, and after that you just have to choose the network that you are going to use. So I will just select the default network XRP, and then you just have to click on OK, and then you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on this copy button and then go back to your Ledger Live app and paste the wallet address in this recipient address. And you also have to copy this tag or memo option detail. So just have to click on this copy button and then paste this tag in this tag section in your Ledger. So you have to do it if they have provided any tag, but if they haven't provided any tag, you can leave this area blank and then click on continue. After that, you just have to enter the amount how much you are going to transfer, and then click on continue. And lastly, you have to confirm this action. So make sure your wallet address and the amount is correct, and once you do that, click on continue. And lastly, you need to confirm this operation on your device. So you have to press these two buttons on your Ledger device, and once you do that, your crypto will be transferred from your Ledger device to your Bybit. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.